Are you sure that's a smoker? Because last time it sparkled last year.
It says it's a smoke screen, smoke signal.
Hey, why don't you go do a fountain for them?
Fountain, okay.
Go get one while I'm recording this.
Fountain? I don't know what to do.
Fountains just has sparkles coming out.
Get 2 fountains. What if he gets
We're gonna get more anyway, because that one's...
Yeah, because we're gonna get more fountains anyway.
We need more fountains anyway.
Yeah, the fountains are cool. You can do fountains like in the evening and then do the big boom booms at night. That's still smoking like smoke. Smoking, yeah.
Smoking.
Phew!
It's still smoking!
Yeah. You don't want to. You don't want to smell that. Ooh-wee.
I think it's pretty good.
I don't just smell rain. No, I smell it.
I can see. I have the power to see.
You can smell the rain a little
I have
bit.
the power to see rain.
Supposedly it was supposed to storm, but look. Does it look like it's gonna storm, people? Don't look like it.
We're gonna get some fountains. Oh, that anyway.
Yeah, I'll be recording
Keep
now.
Keep smoking. Punch the smoke. Punch the smoke. I want to punch the smoke. Yeah. Come back. Come here, smoke. I want to punch you.
And there goes the smoke.
It's still going a little bit.
Probably about to run out.
Yeah, it's getting ready to.
I didn't even get to punch the smoke.